How amazing are bananas? They've got everything. Ah, that's the good stuff. Huh? I can't hold everything at the same time. Now this is more like it. It makes life so much easier. Cheers! Wow, I have an idea. I'll place my hands and the banana into this rubber mold. Then I'll pour in cement. When it's set, I can flip it over. This is the fun part. I'll split the mold open. Ooh, that feels good. Look at that! I'll use the putty knife to scrape off the mold. Now it needs a lick of paint. I'll go for pink and blue. Then I just need to wait for the paint to dry. It makes the perfect holder for my banana. Can't forget to peel it. Now that's handy. Pretty smart, huh? It's so tasty. I love using glitter. It just adds a little sparkle to my life. And who doesn't want that? That's enough. Now I'll pour over some resin. This is gonna look so pretty. This is one of my best ideas. Careful, Sunny. I think I know what I'm doing. But what are you doing? I'm creating art. Go away. You're so weird. Whatever. I'm outta here. Uh-oh. No! Help me! Ah! I'm being attacked by candy! Oh, I think I'm done with skateboarding. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Look what you've done. It's ruined. Unless… I have an idea. I'll cut a large hole in a rubber mold. Then fill it with clear epoxy resin. I need to make sure the surface is clean and level. I don't want any debris in the resin. And I want to get a nice even layer. There's something so relaxing about this. Okay, I think that should be enough resin. Now I'll drop in candy pieces. Then I can pour over more resin. I want to make sure the candy is covered completely. Once that's done, I'll leave it to set. It's time to remove the mold. Now I'll attach trucks and wheels. They're see-through, of course. Now I've got a custom skateboard. You could say it's pretty sweet. Have you ever seen anything like this? It looks good enough to eat. I love it. Hey, Sunny, check it out. I want you to have it. What? You mean it? For me? Really? This is awesome! That sounds like Grace. Hey, come on in. Welcome to my home. You live here? Yikes. Okay. I'll ignore that. I almost forgot. I got a new bracelet. And I have one for you. Honey, if it's not gold, I'm not interested. See? I have a reputation to keep. I mean, it doesn't even have any diamonds. Okay, never mind. Let's go into the kitchen. What do you think? It's so small. Oh, would you like a lollipop? Which one should you have? Here you go. This is a lollipop. That's embarrassing. Let's sit down.
It's okay.
Ugh. It's not much, but it's cozy. My butler's room is nicer than this. Wait, I know! Wanna play with this puppet? You call that a puppet? Check this out. Daddy got it made especially for me. Why do I even bother? I often ask that same question. This is my bathroom. I don't know why I'm doing this. Wait a minute. Your necklace is giving me an idea. I think this might work. I'll be right back. I took a mold of a toilet seat. Don't worry, it was clean. I'll place LED lights into it. Then I'll add some gold flakes. I'll scatter them around the impression. Then I'll pour over clear resin. I'll make sure I cover everything. I'll fill it to the edge of the mold. I'll take my time. I don't want to ruin it now. Once it's set, I'll take it out of the mold. This looks so good. All that's left to do is fit it. Come see my bathroom. I think you'll like it. Does anything catch your eye? I doubt it. Wait, is that a golden toilet seat?
Wow.
Hang on, there's more. It lights up. Pretty cool, huh? Bravo! Wonderful! That's all the cleaning done. Hi, Grace. Look what I've got. I was hoping we could look at the stars. Come on, it'll be fun. That's a great idea. I love astronomy. Let's go. I can't wait. Who knows? We might see an alien. I don't think we're gonna see anything. Well, apart from a bunch of clouds. Didn't you look at the weather forecast? Ugh, this is so annoying. I never get to do cool things. Stupid clouds. Sorry, Grace. Let's go back inside. Wait for me. What are we gonna do now? I'm all out of ideas. I guess it's gonna be another boring night. Hang on. Look at those lights. I think I know what to do. You're gonna like this one. First, I need a small ball of modeling clay. I'll roll it out nice and flat. It's just like baking. Now I need a star-shaped cookie cutter. I'll cut a star from the clay. I'll peel off the excess clay. It's much easier this way. Then I'll gently take off the cookie cutter. Next, I need a drinking straw. I'll use it to punch a hole in the clay. I'll make another one. This is just what I want. I'll thread lights through the holes. I'll do the same with more stars. Until I have a chain of lights. What do you think? Wow! It's perfect! I'll hang them on the fireplace. It looks so cute. Quick, turn off the lights. It's just like being under the stars. And there's not a cloud in sight. It looks amazing! I can't believe you made them. And a hot mug of cocoa really sets the mood. Oh my gosh, this book is intense! I can't put it down! Well, I'm going shopping. I've got a credit card to max out. I'll see you later. Bye! Yeah, have fun! Oh, a message. It's from Kevin! This night just got a whole lot better. I can't believe it! Woohoo! I'll grab my keys. Wait. I'm sure they were right here. Oh no. This is bad. Wait a minute. Sunny! Phew. What a day. What's wrong? Why are you looking at me like that? You took my key! Hand it over! Huh? You mean this one? This is my key. Oh, you think so, huh? I think you'll find you keep losing your key. Cast your mind back to last week. Is this yours? Ugh, seriously, Sunny? I was looking for that. What the? That's where it went. Ring any bells? No. And I can prove it's my key. I mean, it was an innocent mistake. I'm supposed to be going out with Kevin! This always happens. We need to fix this. And I think I have just the way to do it. I have a love heart mold. I'll place the key in it. Then I'll fill the molds with red resin. It's got glitter, too. It just looks pretty. That looks like it's set. I'll just pop it out of the mold. Wow, look at it! It looks amazing! It's so cute! I'm feeling romantic already. Mwah! I wish I thought of this earlier. I'll put it right here. Now we'll know which key is which. I'm just heading out. Wait, that's not my key. Where did I put mine? Hold on. Here it is! That was lucky. Bye! Ha! I knew it would work. You're going nowhere. This tea is so nice and cozy. I love it. What the heck? Oh, I should really get going and start my day. Did she just leave that cup sitting right there? Didn't she see that I'm cleaning? Wait, a ring on the table? No! Maybe if I scrub hard enough, I can get it up. Wait, she has another mug now? She left this one behind too! And with another ring. Ah, so good. And I love this little rocket mug. Seriously? I'm following her around the whole house! Wait, again? How can Sunny drink so much from so many mugs? And she just leaves them wherever she is. On any surface! I'm exhausted. I've been cleaning non-stop. Maybe there's something left to drink in her. Huh? An orange slice? Oh! Let me just set this on some plastic and then grab my glue gun. I'll draw a circle around the slice with the hot glue. It doesn't have to be perfect, because the fruit isn't perfect either. But I do want to make sure it's thick enough. Just a little bit more to make this rich color. And good! Now let's zazz this up. I'll add some golden glitter. It doesn't need to be a lot. I don't want to overwhelm it. And it's time to add the epoxy. I'll just pour it in. Gotta make sure I cover the orange slice too. And the glue ridge keeps the epoxy in place. And now that it's set, I can just peel it out of the mold. It's so pretty! But it's not done. Let me paint the edges. I'll use the sparkly gold paint. There we go. My coaster is finally finished. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty! It turned out even better than I thought it would. Hold up! Make sure your mug sits on one of these coasters. Yep, I made it. And it's gonna help protect our furniture. Alright, now that that's done, I could use a snack. Wait a second. What the heck? Where did all these cups come from? Are you almost finished? Yep, it's pretty much done. Great. Wait. Someone's gonna freak out when she sees this cat. Hello? Anybody home? What? Sorry. I'm freaking out. Okay. Deep breaths. Thanks. Wait a minute. I think I have an idea. Get a rubber mold like this and stuff it with colorful gummy bears. I'm choosing a bunch of different hues. Put them all the way around the band. Then carefully pour epoxy resin over the bears and fill it to the top. It's ready to wear. And isn't it just the cutest? And it covers my tattoo perfectly. All good. You're covering it? Whatever. Betty, you're home. Hi, Mom. Huh? Oh, a tattoo? Oh, that one's small compared to mine. See? Whoa! You're the best! Like mother, like daughter. Yeah! Oh yeah, I'm definitely destroying this level! Is there space for me here? Oh, there's an open chair. I'll just squeeze on in here. Phew. Finally! It took me forever to get here. But now everything is ready, so it's time to get started. Better make sure I'm stretched and ready to go. Better! Rage! I'm gonna beat this dungeon and set the speedrun time for sure! What? You think you can throw those NPCs at me? Not likely! Die! Ow, what the heck? What's going on? Oh man, I missed setting the speedrun record. What? My keyboard! What happened to it? My keys are all over the place. I totally ruined it. Oh, look at this letter W. Well, that's it. Get rid of it. I need to do something different to fix this problem. And now it's time to add some epoxy. I don't want to overfill it. That'll just cause problems. There! I filled all of them and now they're set. Now I can take them out. Ooh, look at how cute this is. Now I can put them on my keyboard, replacing my missing keys. Alright, I'm feeling pretty good about my new cute keyboard. Time to get back to my speedrun. Just gotta stretch. Rage! Come on, you can do it! Push harder! Faster! Wait! Woo! I did it! I set the record! My lucky keyboard was the key! Hey, alright, good job. Here's a round of applause. A teeny tiny round of applause! It never gets old. Look at all this. Handcuffs? Yikes. Oh, I don't want these around here. Anyway. I don't remember buying these. In they go. Nail polish? Don't eat it. That's good for this box. All done. Oh, what died over here? That nap was refreshing. More stuff? Cute. But I need more. What's in this bad boy? Whoa! Yeah, right. Nail polish? I definitely could use some of this. Manicure time! But not the kind you're used to. This time we're decorating the fingers. See that stripe of paint? Let it sit and dry. And put it under the UV light. Shouldn't take too long. Now slide it off and get to the fun part. Decorating! A fine brush like this works best. Isn't this heart so adorable? It may take a minute, but it'll be worth it. See? Now you have a new ring. Or two. Breathe through the mouth. Huh? So fabulous. Those rings are seriously pretty. These? I'll pay for them. You first. You! Okay, fine. Yay! I'm rich! I can wash them. What? You guys want more rings? Alright, time to make sure I'm protected with the sunblock. That's enough, Bubbles. Time to play with my watermelon. Ooh, it's so squishy. I love it! Hey, wait a second. There's an empty pot right over there. Let me just plant my little watermelon right into the soil. There we go. Now I just have to wait for it to grow. Yes! It didn't take any time at all! Alright! This idea's genius! I'm doing it! Alright, watermelon. Time to grow me a watermelon tree. Come on, you can do it! What the heck is Sunny doing over there? Oh well. Watermelon? Why aren't you growing? Huh? Oh no, she looks really upset. I have to do something to cheer her up. I'll start layering this polymer clay. And then I've got this red ball of clay too. Now I just need to roll it all up. Next up, I need this tool. Because I'm gonna slice into the clay. I need to be careful though. I don't want to smash it. Okay, I've got my 2 cuts all the way through. All I need is that little slice in the middle. Time to take my clay tool again. Because I need to cut the circle in half. Good. Let me just scoop up this little wedge. Now time to make another slice, like a pie. That's turning out really good. This'll do. Now I need to clear coat this clay piece. That's good, but this watermelon is missing its seeds. I'll just add these little black beads. They'll work nicely. But I don't just want seeds. I want a happy watermelon. There! He's got a happy little face now. So cute! Sunny, I made you a little something. Whoa! A little watermelon necklace! And matching earrings! They're so cute! I love them so much! Thank you! You're very welcome. I just didn't want to see you so sad. Hey! I'll plant this instead! Oh. What? Sunny? What? This doesn't even make sense! Hi, David. See anything you like? There's so much to choose from. I like this. Wow! These are so pretty! But I don't think I can buy anything. I'll just go. Bye. Maybe I should just make my own jewelry. I have everything I need in here. Let's have a look. Oh, this'll be useful. I'll thread the beads onto the string. This is trickier than I thought. Almost. Come on! I did it! Now I'll just tie it off. Ugh! Let's try this again. I'm pretty happy with that. It's a little small. Maybe I can slide it over my hand. Okay, that's not gonna work. I'll need to stretch it. No! Not again! This is so annoying! That's it! Stupid bracelet. I just wanted something pretty to wear. Ugh! Huh? Where did these lemons come from? Wow! Look at that! There's so many! This gives me an idea! If you're a fan of fruit and jewelry, you'll love this! Cut a lemon into slices. Watch those fingers! Place the lemon slices onto a baking tray and place them in a warm oven. Cook the lemons until they've been dried out. Just like this. But these aren't for eating. Next, fill a container of liquid glass. Use a wooden skewer to dip the lemon into the liquid glass. Make sure the lemon is fully coated and let the excess liquid fall off. Place an earring hook through the hole made by the skewer. Do the same with the other slices. Wow! I love these! Mother Nature would be proud. It's time for me to earn some money. I'm open for business! What do you think? I love them. I'll take a pair. Here you go. Hi, Ava. I love your earrings. Can I trade you? Of course! Here you go. Wow, I really wanted this. They're so cute. It's amazing what you can do with a little cement or resin and a whole lot of creativity. What was your favorite craft? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos just like this one.